Controversial crossdresser Idris Okoye, also known as Bobrisky, has clarified the reasons behind his recent departure from Nigeria following 2 failed attempts. Recall that the embattled crossdresser was halted and taken off an Amsterdam-bound KLM flight at Murtala Mohammed International Airport while trying to travel to London on Thursday night. Revealing the reason for his departure, the Vanguard reported that the crossdresser expressed his dissatisfaction with the travel disruptions he faced, blaming local security agencies for the frustrations. Yes, I am here to confirm I'm out of Nigeria temporarily. I need to attend to my sanity and my health, he stated in an Instagram post on Monday. He also urged KLM, the airline involved, to refund him for 2 unused tickets, which he claimed cost him 9.8 million naira each. Few Nigerian security agencies try everything to frustrate me. I got God, he added. Imagine buying a business class ticket 3 times. Only one was successful. KLM, I hope you guys refund me the 2 I didn't use. I know it's not your fault, but it's fine. Each business class cost me 9.8 million naira. I only successfully flew yesterday. In his post, Bobrisky also responded to the potential critics, saying, before you come to my page to type nonsense, check your account balance if you can afford 3 business seats, not to talk of buying it 3 times. Well, I'm not in Nigeria, so your comment means nothing. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more verified and reliable news stories.